Hello everyone, how are you all? Hope you all are doing well at your home. So students, today we will continue with your chapter number 8, more on Adobe Photoshop CS5, page number 86. Okay, so today we will learn that how to add the text to an image, how to change the size, how to create a collage. So we will learn about it in this video. Okay. So your first tool is the type tool. So we make use of type tool to insert text in the image. Let us suppose you want to enter any text in the image. So what you will do? You will make use of type tool. So how you will use this tool? First of all, you will open the image. Okay. आप लोगों को सबसे पहले क्या करना है? इमेज को ओपन करना है and then you have to select the type tool from the tool box. Okay, as you all know that toolbox is at the left hand side of the window, so you have to select the type tool from it. Okay, so then you have to go to the option bar. See, this is your option bar. You have to go to it and you have to select the font, the color, the size, etc, etc. Okay, so when you will select those, so you have to click on that image and start typing the text. Okay, let us suppose you want to type the text here. So you will click here and start typing. Is it clear to you? So what will happen? The text will be inserted. Next is resizing an image. If you want to resize your image, if you want to increase or decrease the size of an image, so what you can do? You make use of resizing tool. Okay, so let us learn how to make use of resizing tool. Your first step is that you have to click on the image tab. Okay, you have to click on the image tab. Next, what you have to do, you have to click on the image size. Or you can press the Alt plus Control plus I key from your keyboard. Is it clear? So what you will do then, you will make changes in the given image. And then you have to click on the OK. आप लोगों को क्या करना है? सबसे पहले image tab पे click करना है. फिर आप लोगों को क्या करना है? इमेज साइज पे क्लिक करना है और आप लोगों को यहां से साइज सिलेक्ट करना है. द विड्थ, द हाइट ऑफ द इमेज. यू हैव टू सेट इट फ्रॉम हियर एंड देन प्रेस ओके. सो व्हाट विल हैपन? द साइज ऑफ द इमेज विल बी इंक्रीज्ड और डिक्रीज्ड अकॉर्डिंग टू योर प्रेफरेंसेस. इज इट क्लियर? नेक्स्ट इज चेंजिंग द कैनवस साइज. If you want to change the size of the canvas, what you will do? You will first of all click the image tab. Okay, you will first of all click the image tab and then you will click the canvas size. Is it clear? See, this is your image tab. So first of all you will click on it and then you will click on the canvas size. Okay, so what will happen? A canvas size dialog box will appear. This is your canvas size dialog box. So whatever changes you want to make in your canvas, the size, the width, the height of the canvas, you can change it from here and then you will click on OK. Okay. So if we decrease the size of the canvas, what will happen? The image will be cropped. Okay. So what will happen? The image will be cropped. So you can change the size of the canvas by this method. Is it clear to you? Next is creating a picture collage. So see, nowadays you create a collage, picture collage so many times. So in Adobe Photoshop, what you have to do, you have to first of all open a new canvas. Okay. As soon as you open a new canvas, you will give it a required size, that of what size you want that canvas to be. Okay. Then what you will do, you will open an image. Whatever image you want to add, you will open that image. So for this, what you will do, you will make use of selection tool. Okay, you will make use of selection tool and then you will select a part of the picture and click on edit and then copy. Okay, आप लोगों को क्या करना है? Edit पे जाना है and then you have to copy that image. Next, what you will do, you will paste the picture on the blank canvas by going to the edit section and then paste it. Okay, like this. What you have to do, you have to make use of selection tool, then from here edit, then you will click on copy and then you will paste the image here. So likewise you can select any numbers of image here and copy it and paste it to make a collage. Okay. So next what you will do, the images on the collage can be resized and rotated by selecting them and clicking edit free transform. Okay, if you want to rotate the image, if you want to resize the image in the collage, what you will do, you will click on edit and there is an option named as free transform. You will click on it. Okay, so what will happen then, using the selection and the move tools, arrange all the pictures on the collage. So the beautiful collage will be क्रिएटेड. तो आप लोगों को क्या करना है, आप लोगों को सिलेक्शन टूल की हेल्प से और मूव टूल की हेल्प से जो पिक्चर्स हैं उनको कोलाज में एडजस्ट करना है. लाइक विच एवर पिक्चर यू वॉन्ट टू बी इन अ सर्टेन पोजिशन, यू कैन प्लेस इट अकॉर्डिंग टू योर सेल्फ. ओके, सो लाइकवाइज अ ब्यूटिफुल कोलाज कैन बी क्रिएटेड. इज इट क्लियर टू यू? नेक्स्ट इज अप्लाइंग फिल्टर्स. सो फिल्टर्स आर यूज टू चेंज द अपीयरेंस ऑफ द इमेज. आप लोग करते हैं, कई बार आप लोग जब फोटो एडिट करते हैं तो यू अप्लाई सो मेनी फिल्टर्स टू इट सो दैट द अपीयरेंस ऑफ योर इमेज विल लुक ब्यूटिफुल. ओके, सो देर आर सो मेनी पावरफुल इनबिल्ट filters in Adobe Photoshop. Okay, so how to apply them? Let us learn about it. First of all, what you have to do, you have to open the image and click on the filter menu. Okay, as soon as you will click on the filter menu, you have to select the desired filter. Whichever filter you want, you have to select that. Is it clear to you? So from the artistic submenu, select desired option. A dialog box will appear. See, this type of dialog box will appear in front of you. So whichever effect you want to add, whichever filter you want to add, you have to click on it and then press to OK. आप लोगों को यहाँ से, आपके पास 11 कैटेगरीज होंगी. आप लोगों को कोई भी एक कैटेगरी सेलेक्ट करनी है. उसके बाद उसके अंदर बहुत सारी सब कैटेगरीज होंगी जिसपे आपके बहुत सारे फिल्टर्स होंगे. तो आप लोगों को जो भी फिल्टर चूज करना है आप लोग उस पर क्लिक करेंगे एंड देन यू हैव टू क्लिक ऑन ओके. सो द फिल्टर विल बी अप्लाई टू द इमेज. इज इट क्लियर टू यू? सो दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडे. थैंक यू.